Alright, let's make our card flip. Send the onClick prop to front side and send this onFlip as a value. We'll define this function in a second. Define the onFlip function. In this function we are going to change the state of our card, but the state should be defined before. So define the state with the attribute flipped, and the default value will be false. Now inside the onFlip function, let's update this state to its own negated version. So if the card was flipped, it will unflip it and vice versa. Now we need to make it so click on this options button would make a call to this onFlip function. So go to front side index.js and pass the onClick prop down to front side view. Now go to front side view.js, add onClick to your props list and pass it to your button as an onClick attribute. If you click it now, nothing will really happen except supposedly our state. Go to src app.js. So let's add panel conditional modifier. If state flipped is true, we pass flipped, otherwise empty string. Okay, you can flip the card.